So today we are going to understand about the Guidewire product architecture as a whole. So what? All the products? What are the different product type of products? Guidewire as a whole will contain. And what are the different methodologies used in the Guidewire? We call it as Guidewire configuration technology. The Guidewire platform. The Guidewire platform is nothing but the studio. I'm going to have a walkthrough of the Guidewire studio. And there is a training app which comes with the package of the Guidewire. The training app is specifically designed for the developers to train. If someone is learning the Guidewire, so Guidewire has provided a basic application so that you can learn the development techniques, basic techniques in the training app before jumping directly to the Claim Center, the Training Center or the Poly Center. So why Guidewire has recommended training app is this is very much lightweight application. So you can do all the hands-on on the training app. And after that you can jump on to the Claim Center. If you are learning Claim Center specifically right, all the concepts which you have learned in the training app you can apply in the Claim Center. So we'll be using training app in this particular class for all our lab sessions, specifically for development lab sessions. And we have some Techno-Functional lab sessions also, which we'll be doing in the Claim Center only. And about the Guidewire application. So, as you all know that Guidewire has 3 applications, Poly Center, Billing Center, Claim Center. And there is also one more minor application along with these 3, that is, Contact Manager. So Contact Manager is not used that much widely as Poly Center, Billing Center, Claim Center are used. But yes, this is just for managing the contacts. Okay. And most of the clients doesn't use the Contact Manager. They only use PCBC and CC, and for contact management, managing all the contact information, they use some legacy systems. Okay. But yes, Guidewire has a contact management in it. And then we'll be going through the Guidewire Studio, and I'll be showing you where to write the code and where to debug the code. Where is the console, all those stuff? So Guidewire specifically, it behaves as a record management system. So what record Guidewire has to do? Guidewire store the record which is specific to the insurance. The Policy Center is a management system of the record which is related to the policy. Billing Center is the management system of the record which is related to the billing information, like in creating invoices. Okay, sending the payment reminders. And Claim Center is for managing the data related to the claim. Suppose the claim comes into the picture right from on a policy. So for managing all the reports of the claim right where the incident has been happened. Okay. I suppose there is a personal auto policy right. An accident has been happened. So the claimant will claim the policy. So it will enter all its detail in the Claim Center, right? So we call whenever the customer is creating a claim right in the Claim Center. So they will be entering some information, right? They will first enter the information about the policy number. Which one? What is their policy number? And then they will enter the information about the incident which has happened with them. Right, the accident. They'll provide the location information. They will provide the driver's information. Who was the driver? Okay. And how many people were there sitting in the car, and what is the exact location of that right, and what are the damages? All those information will be fed in by the one which is creating the claim. So, as we said, right. In case of Claimcenter, all these information are fed by the customer service representative. Who is the first one to be approached by the claimant? So this is the data management system. Claimcenter is a data management system of the claims. So all the data related to a particular claim, all the claim handling would be done in the Claimcenter. Starting from the entering the claim to the payment of the check payments and creating the reserves and all the investigations which happens on the claim. Okay. And, apart from this, the third-party systems as well. Apart from Police Interviewing Center, Claimcenter, there are so many external systems, right? So which guide connects throughout the life cycle of a claim? Okay. So, for an example, suppose there is a third-party system which will be connected to the Claimcenter and will give us the information about the previous claims, past claims on that policy. Right. So when a customer service representative is entering the claim data, right? So we can have a functionality in Guide where that it will talk to the third-party system, which is previous claim record management system. Okay. And it will send the data for that particular like this particular person for this particular policy has been already claimed or not, or is it just a first-time claim? So it will send the data to the third-party system and it will receive the data in yes or no. Yes, this particular policy has been claimed already. So it is a second-time claim. So based on that, the claim, the investigation, further investigation will occur in the Claimcenter and also the amount which needs to be paid back to the claimant will be decided by the adjudicators. So this is an example of the external system. So like this, we have a number of external systems in the Claimcenter. So our Claimcenter is also integrated internally to the Policy Center as well. The Policy Center also behaves as an external system to the Claimcenter, right? Because as soon as the customer service representative will type in the data, policy number, in the Claimcenter, right? It will fetch all the information of the policy from the Policy Center. There is an integration with the Policy Center in the Claimcenter also. Okay, so based on that, the further investigation will be happening in the Claimcenter. So it's a combination of internal access, data management and external access. So we have already covered about this policy, building and claim. This is how our studio looks like. Can I start a slideshow here? Where can I get the slideshow? View. Okay, yes. So we have a Guidewire application. It's a 3-tier application. We have a database server. We have an application server and we have a web client server. So we go through each tier one by one. So what is the database server? So in the back end, whatever the data we are getting from the customer service representative, right? Feeding in the claim value, right? It will be stored in tabular format right somewhere. So as we have in Java right. In Java and in Docker, we have a SQL Server. So in SQL Server, we have different tables where the data is stored. And these tables are interrelated to each other, right?